Cayenne pepper is not chili. Chili is an irritant to the lining of the gastrointestinal tract.
In fact, if cayenne pepper is going through your arteries and your veins and it finds any bleeding, it'll seal the bleeding blood vessel.
Pepper's a remarkable herb. In the book Back to Eden by Jethro Kloss, he devotes half a page to every other herb, but 10 pages to cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper does 3 things. Cayenne pepper thins the blood. It's a powerful blood thinner.
It turns out cayenne pepper isn't just for adding flavor. It could be your secret weapon for a healthier body. Dr. Barbara O'Neill's research reveals that a pinch of cayenne pepper can boost your immune system and much more. Get ready, because your health journey is about to get spicy. Watch this video till the end to uncover the secrets of cayenne pepper that seem too good to be true. Dr. Barbara O'Neill, born on July 28, 1953, has a variety of natural remedies to combat life-threatening health conditions with ease. She is married to Michael O'Neill, the founder of the Informed Medical Options Party, which highlights potential health risks associated with vaccinations. O'Neill's self-research and findings have challenged the qualifications of many scientists and research institutes, leading to significant legal trouble, including a prohibition order and complaints from health practitioners about her unverified health advice. Despite these challenges, O'Neill remains dedicated to providing natural remedies and ways to improve lives. Beyond using cayenne pepper as a natural remedy, O'Neill advocates for incorporating various natural herbs into our diets instead of relying solely on heavy medications with side effects. Her list of beneficial herbs, oils, and vegetables includes castor oil, onion, potato, ginger, garlic, lemon, and more. We will delve deeper into these later, but first, let's shed light on cayenne pepper and its benefits, as well as what Dr. Barbara O'Neill has discovered through her research. So what is cayenne pepper? If you are a fan of spicy foods, you're likely familiar with it. Cayenne pepper is a long, thin, red chili pepper and a member of the capsicum family, which includes sweet bell peppers, jalapenos, poblanos, and the blazing hot ghost peppers.
Cayenne pepper is a remarkable herb. Cayenne pepper is not chili. Chili comes from the chili family, and cayenne pepper comes from the capsicum family.
While cayenne pepper isn't as spicy as ghost peppers, it still packs a significant punch. Measured by the Scoville Heat Units, SHU, cayenne peppers range between 30,000 and 50,000 SHUs, whereas ghost peppers range from 855,000 to 1.04 million SHUs. Typically dried and crushed into a fine powder, cayenne pepper has been esteemed for both its culinary and medicinal uses for centuries. Beyond its presence in Mexican, Cajun, Creole, and Southwestern American cuisine, cayenne pepper is also a staple in Korean, Sichuan, and other Asian dishes. If you already add cayenne pepper to your spaghetti, tacos, casseroles, eggs, and seafood, consider yourself fortunate to enjoy both taste and health benefits in one package. But cayenne pepper isn't just about taste. What about its medicinal benefits? Cayenne pepper has long been used in traditional Ayurvedic and Eastern medicines to treat digestive and circulatory issues. The main component, capsaicin, is responsible for many of these health benefits. Capsaicin is widely used in topical treatments for muscle and joint pain, in addition to giving cayenne pepper its spicy flavor. Originating in Central and South America, cayenne pepper is now grown in many regions worldwide, including India, East Africa, Mexico, and many parts of the United States. According to Dr. Barbara O'Neill, cayenne pepper is an excellent way to thin your blood, rebuild heart muscles, maintain arterial walls, and stimulate blood flow. Stimulating blood flow enhances the healing process. As O'Neill notes, blood is the life of the flesh, and therefore it needs to be moving in order to live.
Cayenne pepper will heal a stomach ulcer. Cayenne pepper moves blood. It's one of the best circulatory stimulants there is. It's not a nervous system stimulant like your caffeines or your tobacco. It's a blood stimulant.
Many people take aspirin to thin their blood, but it carries significant risks. Research indicates that daily low-dose aspirin can lead to brain bleeds, stomach or gastrointestinal bleeding, and even eye bleeding. Dr. Barbara O'Neill addresses these concerns and offers a safer alternative: cayenne pepper. According to Dr. O'Neill, cayenne pepper is the best natural blood thinner and stimulant, and it won't cause any bleeding. While many experts advise against including spicy and stimulating foods in your diet, Dr. O'Neill argues that anything like cayenne pepper that increases blood flow can enhance the healing process. She also claims that cayenne pepper can even treat stomach ulcers.
Cayenne pepper is a blood stimulant, and anything that stimulates blood stimulates healing. In fact, it has been said that you put cayenne pepper with any other herb and you will increase its effectiveness.
That's not all. Cayenne pepper can also enhance your digestive system. Dr. Barbara O'Neill explains that drinking a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper in a small amount of water activates the gastric glands, ultimately boosting the digestive process. While you might feel a burning sensation in your chest, it is actually just the tingling of gastric glands being activated. These glands release gastric juice to help digest food quickly, and cayenne pepper reminds them to get back to work and supercharge the digestive process. For those low on hydrochloric acid, cayenne pepper can boost it through its stimulating properties. Dr. O'Neill's claims about cayenne pepper's digestive benefits are also supported by research. The capsaicin in cayenne pepper stimulates the nerves in your stomach to produce digestive fluids, aiding in digestion. Research also shows that capsaicin may help control stomach ulcers caused by the bacteria H. pylori. The best part is that when you consume cayenne pepper, the water and pepper run through your arteries, fixing and sealing bleeding blood vessels while also thinning your blood.
Well, God said that He gave herbs for the service of man. So the cayenne pepper comes in and says, where would you like me? I'll thin this blood. Oops, I'll seal off that bleeding blood vessel.
O'Neill shared a little-known method for curing a sore throat using cayenne pepper. According to her, cayenne pepper has analgesic properties that initially cause an itching sensation in your throat. But as this subsides, your throat will feel better. For Barbara O'Neill, cayenne peppers are more than just a spice. They are natural painkillers, effective even for soothing upset stomachs.
Cayenne pepper can be used for an upset stomach. When it gets into the blood, it thins the blood, it opens the capillaries, it strengthens the arterial wall. About a quarter of a teaspoon in a little cup of water, or maybe a third of a cup of water just before the meal.
Dr. Barbara O'Neill states that adding any herb to cayenne pepper will enhance its effectiveness, doubling its benefits. Besides its analgesic effects, Dr. O'Neill shares a tip for relieving cold feet. Many people experience cold feet due to poor circulation, anemia, chemotherapy, diabetes, and other conditions. While some may only feel numbness, others experience complete loss of sensation. To alleviate these symptoms, people often soak their feet in hot water. However, O'Neill strongly advises against this practice, as immersing cold feet in hot water can lead to tissue damage. Instead, she recommends alternative methods to improve circulation safely.
So what you do if someone has cold feet, you cannot do this treatment to them. Because if they have continually cold feet and you put the cold feet in hot water, you can damage the tissues.
Instead, she shared an amazing and effective method to get rid of cold feet: an olive oil and cayenne pepper compress. Alternatively, you can use castor oil if preferred. Start by grabbing a double-layered kitchen paper and a plastic sheet. Place the kitchen paper on the plastic sheet and drizzle olive oil over it, spreading it evenly to ensure the cayenne pepper adheres properly. Be careful not to use too much oil, or it will leak out of the paper. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper on the paper with olive oil. Place the paper with the plastic sheet under your foot and wrap it with the plastic sheet. Then finish by putting on a sock. O'Neill suggests applying this before bed for those who frequently have cold feet or numbness, as by morning they will feel a bit of tingling or needles in their feet. She recommends using it every second night until you achieve warm feet or relief from numbness. You can also prepare these sheets in advance if you often have cold feet or if you know someone who does. In addition to treating cold feet, Dr. Barbara O'Neill also suggests using the olive oil and cayenne pepper sheet on an underactive thyroid. According to O'Neill, a woman with an underactive thyroid was on medication, but after applying these cayenne pepper sheets to her thyroid, she was able to come off her medication and her thyroid became active again. However, O'Neill advises not applying it before bed as it can keep you awake due to the excessive heat. Besides cayenne pepper sheets, O'Neill also recommends high-intensity exercise to stimulate the thyroid glands. A book named Back to Eden by Jethro Kloss dedicates half a page to each herb, but it devotes 10 pages to cayenne pepper. In a video discussion with Dr. Barbara O'Neill, the host shared how her mother treated her high blood pressure using cayenne pepper. She explained that her mother put cayenne pepper under her tongue when her blood pressure was high, and surprisingly saw a decrease in her blood pressure, ultimately achieving lower levels. According to Barbara O'Neill, cayenne pepper can also help treat a person experiencing a heart attack. O'Neill recounted an incident where she was called to assist a woman having a heart attack. Upon arrival, she found the woman pale and without a pulse. O'Neill quickly administered half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper in the woman's mouth, followed by a small amount of water. Within 2 minutes, the woman's pulse returned, her face regained color, and she sat up showing signs of normal health. This remarkable recovery was due to the blood-thinning effect of cayenne pepper. Dr. Barbara O'Neill suggests that those taking aspirin and unsure about cayenne pepper can start with a quarter teaspoon 3 times a day. After a few weeks or months, blood tests may show improved blood consistency. O'Neill emphasizes that natural herbs and medications are not the only focus. She also highlights other factors to prevent heart diseases, including exercise, sleep, and a proper diet. Exercise can lower blood pressure, reduce diabetes risk, maintain healthy body weight, and decrease inflammation. She recommends aerobic exercises like jogging, swimming, biking, and hiking, along with moderate weightlifting for optimal heart health. Additionally, she suggests getting 8 hours of sleep and maintaining a consistent sleep schedule. A proper diet is crucial, including high fiber and high protein foods. Heart muscles need nutrients from plants, vegetables, fruits, and whole grains, all complemented by 8 glasses of water daily for optimal blood thinning. Cayenne pepper's active component, capsaicin, is an effective pain reliever. Applied topically, it reduces pain by lowering levels of substance P, a chemical messenger that signals discomfort to the brain. The FDA has approved topical capsaicin treatments for various nerve pains and capsaicin injections for arthritis pain. Research also indicates cayenne pepper can help with psoriasis, an autoimmune skin condition. While there's no cure for psoriasis, topical capsaicin creams can reduce itching and inflammation. Cayenne pepper also boosts metabolism by producing heat in the body and burning calories, which may reduce hunger and lead to less food intake throughout the day. Studies have shown capsaicin's anti-cancer effects, targeting tumors and slowing the growth and spread of cancer cells, including prostate, pancreatic, and skin cancers. Cayenne pepper is rich in nutrients and antioxidants, including vitamins A, C, E, beta-carotene, cryptoxanthin, choline, lutein, and zeaxanthin, as well as vitamins B1, B2, B6, K, folate, manganese, potassium, copper, iron, magnesium, selenium, phosphorus, and zinc. There are many ways to incorporate cayenne pepper into your diet. Both freshly chopped and powdered cayenne pepper are nutritionally beneficial. You can add pepper powder to soups, stews, scrambled eggs, hummus, hot chocolate, or lemonade. Freshly chopped cayenne pepper can be added to sautéed vegetables and cornbread batter. Half a cup of freshly chopped cayenne pepper contains 30 calories, 1.5 grams of protein, 0.33 grams of fat, 6.5 grams of carbohydrates, 1 gram of fiber, and 4 grams of sugar. While fresh chopped cayenne pepper is healthier, powdered cayenne pepper is still a good source of nutrients like vitamin A. Cayenne pepper not only satisfies your taste buds, but also promotes overall health, thanks to Dr. Barbara O'Neill, who uncovered its groundbreaking secrets and changed our perspective on this powerful herb for good.